In this video, I'm gonna show how to have the GPS work in the Vantrue N4 camera, so you can have the speed information on your screen, have the GPS coordinates and speed recorded to the footage, and also use the software to see the car's location in a map. So let's get started and watch the GPS module installation and setup. Okay, so I'm here in my car with my Vantrue N4 camera. As you can see, it's using the regular cup holder, going to replace with the GPS version. So I just need to remove the cable from the back camera, remove power cable, and then I need to remove the cup holder. Just turn counterclockwise and remove the cup holder like this. And then you just need to use this latch to remove it from the camera. Press in here, remove it. No longer using this one. Going to replace with this GPS version. Okay, have the same latch here. You just need to put it here the way and press it. Here we go. You'll hear this click. And then a good idea is to put a little bit of water here so you can stick it better. I'm not going to do right now because I'm just recording this video. So let me just stick it here and then turn clockwise this way. So it's good now. Then you come with your power cable, connect it here. And also the camera from the back, if you have one, connect here into its place. So it's good to go now, but you need to do the setup configuration as well to make it work, okay? And now your camera is on. As you can see, it's recording, but there is no symbol for the GPS. I'm supposed to see a symbol here for the GPS and also the speed. So you need to go to the menu and turn on the GPS, okay? So just hit the OK button. It stops recording. Hit the M to go to the main menu. And now you see files. You just need to look for the menu for system setup. Here we go. Hit OK again. And here you need to look for GPS. So just come down until you find GPS. Here we go. Hit the OK button again and change to on. OK one more time and M twice. Then you come back to the main screen. You see the image from the camera and now see that's recording and also the GPS symbol right here on the top and the indication of the speed. Right now it's 0 miles per hour because I'm not running with this car, but later you can see the speed changing here and also it's going to record in the video. Every time you're running with your car, the GPS is going to record the coordinates and also the speed. Okay, so you have all the information that you need recorded on your video. Okay, and now it's time to play the footage from your camera. As you can see, I'm using the Vantrue DashCam Player. You can download from the Vantrue website. You just look for Vantrue DashCam GPS Player. There's a version for Windows and also for Mac, and you just download, install, and here you just need to click on this folder and look for the file, right? That's the file that you export from your camera, meaning you would remove the mini SD card, put in your computer, and here you can find it and load it. As soon as you load it here, you start playing and you can see all the information here. As you can see, there's the date and time. There's also the license plate information, the GPS coordinates, and also the speed. And as you can see here on the map, I see the location. So this little icons start moving here representing my car. As you can see, I'm going to change to the next street right now. You see it changes here on the map. At the same time shows me the image. So it's pretty good. And remember that this is not live. It doesn't work live. Okay, don't make this mistake to think that's live. It is not. It's just a recorded footage that have all the information that's brought by the GPS. Okay, so it's working pretty fine. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments. And I see you in the next one.